Hi, myself Suganya, Assistant Professor in Department of Business Administration in Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to discuss the topic called token. What is meant by token and how it is used in a C programming languages. So token is defined as a smallest individual element of the C programming languages that is a meaningful to the compiler. In this, it is a basic component of a C program. What are the different types of tokens available in a C programming are keywords, operator, identifier, constant, symbols and strings. The what is meant by keywords? Keywords are predefined or reserved words in a programming languages. Each keyword is meaning to perform a specific function in a program. Since the keywords are referred as a referred name for a compiler, they cannot be used as a variable names, because by doing so we are trying to assign a new meaning to the keywords, which is not allowed. You can't redefine the keywords, however you can specify the text were substituted for a keywords before compilations by the C programming. So there are 32 keywords are basically used. There are auto, break, case, type definition, character, constant, unsigned, continue, for, default, go to, do, if, static, while, void, short, register, switch, structure, integer, else, double, long. There are many keywords are available. So these are the basic already that is frequently used keywords in a C programming. So next will be the identifier. What is mean by identifier? Identifier are used as the general terminology for naming of variable, functions and arrays. These are user defined names consisting of an arbitrary long sequence of a letter and digits with either a letter or the underscore as the first character. Identifier names must differ in a spelling and it is a case from any words. So you cannot use keywords as the identifier, they are reserved for a special use. Once declared, you can use the identifier in a later program statement to refer to the associated value. The special identifier called statement label can be used in a go-to statements. So what is mean by constant? Constant is referred to the variable with a fixed value. They are like normal variables, but with the difference there is the value cannot be modified in a program once they are defined. Constant may belong to any one of the data type. So for example, constant int c is equal to 20. So the 20 is the value for a variable c throughout the program. What is mean by string? Strings are nothing but array of character ended with a null character. So null is nothing but /0. This null character indicates the end of a string. Strings are always enclosed with a double quotes, whereas a character is enclosed with a single quotes in both C and C++ languages. So the example for string character, those strings for string string s is equal to welcome is a example for a string. In case of character C is equal to, in a single quotes we are just giving the letter as a E. So next will be the special symbols. Special symbols are used the basic or special means and it cannot be used for some other purposes. For example, so brackets, parenthesis, braces, comma, colon, semicolon, asterisk, assignment operator, preprocessor and title. So the first one will be the brackets. So this is we all know that it is a opening and closing brackets are used only in the array elements difference. So parenthesis is mainly used as a symbol which is used to indicate the function call and the function parameters. Braces is used for, curly braces is mainly used for to start and end of the block of code containing more than one executable statement. So we all know that the comma is separated from more than one statement, like separating the parenthesis in a function call. Colon is nothing but it is an operator that essentially invoking something called an initialization list. Semicolon it is known as a statement terminator. It indicates the end of one logical entity. That's why each individual element must be ended with a semicolon. It is used to create a pointer variable and for the multiplications of a variable. So next is the assignment operator. It is used to assign some value and for a logical operation validation. Next one will be the operator. So operators are symbols that triggers an action when applied to the C variables and other object. The data items on which operator are called as a operands. Depending on the number of operands that operator can act upon, operator can be classified as unary operator, binary operator, ternary operator. So what is the main difference between keywords and the identifier will be discussed in the upcoming video. Thank you.